Hello everyone, my name is Adan and I am an intern student at Avishkar Tech Solutions Private Limited. In my internship program, I have built a machine learning model and deployed it using Django, which predicts whether the adult income exceeds $50 or not. So let's get started. So first of all, I have imported all the required libraries, then read our datasets. You can see our datasets. In our datasets, there are some data types whose are object type and integer type. So as you all know that we have to predict whether the salary exceeds 50k, so I have mapped less than equals to 50k to 1 and others to 0, and after that I have mapped the sex as well, and then to find the correlations I have used heat map, and after that those who I have placed the missing values in country, work class and occupation to NP none, and then those who don't belongs from USA to non-US and those who belongs from USA to USA, and then I have mapped US to 1 and non-US to 0. And in marital status, those who are divorced and married and separated, widowed to single and married to couple. Now you can see the marital status as single and couple, and then I have mapped single to 1 and couple to 0, and I have done RL map in unmarried wife, husband and so on. And after that, in case of race, I have done the same as above. And okay, so those who work in a government employed, I have replaced them with government, and those who are private employee, I have replaced them private, and those who are self-employed, I have replaced them with self-employed. So you can see another column named employee type, which will show whether an employee is government or self-employed or private, and then map government to 0, private to 1, self-employed to 2, without pay to 3, and I have done labels for work class, education and occupation and so on. And after that I have mapped the capital gain greater than 0 to 1 and equals to 0 to 0. So there are only two categories in capital gain and capital loss as well. And after that I have imported the trend test split. I have split the dataset into trend, test and validation data type, and after that I have imported the algorithm, machine learning algorithm. I have used logistic regression and random forest classifier in my machine learning model, and in case of logistic regression the accuracy was 0.75 and random forest accuracy was 82%. So I will use random forest to build my pickle file. So I have imported the classification report and classification matrix. So the accuracy score was 81.65 in case of random forest, and the confusion matrix is as follows. Precision score was 86% or 0.86, recall was 0.89 and F1 score was 0.88. and I have imported the pickle libraries and map 1 to yes to 1 and 0 to no to 0 and so on. So let's see our web page. I have deployed using Django, so I have already filled the required detail. So whenever I will click on submit, it will show income exceed $50k, yes. So thanks for watching. I would like to thank Mr. Sir, Sunil Sir and the management team of Avishkar Tech Solutions for helping me to gain the skills in machine learning. Thank you.